I'll Buy Anna by New York. There are more than 2,000 lakes that New Yorkers can visit. Some of the most beautiful scenery can be seen at Finger Lake in New York. New York City is the largest city in the United States, but was originally called New Amsterdam. New York City's population is approximately 44%, white 25%. Gain a deeper understanding of the events surrounding the attacks on the World Trade Center on September 11, 2001. On this unique walking tour of New York City, you will explore the world from real industry insiders. Derek Jeter has been playing shortstop as Major League Baseball for the Yankees since 1995. He helped the Yankees to win 4 World Series and was team captain. Lilma is a Hawaiian for this charming dwarf scrub whose flowers are a pretty purple. Smooth and hairless, waxy green, some purple sprouts 1 to 2-inch diameter. The state animal is the beaver. Beaver pelts were traded in the 1600s.
The bluebird is a state bird. Some people put special boxes to attract them. While the official seal of the city proclaims that New York was founded in 1625, many historians argue that the first seal arrived in 1624. That's all.